What's going on, guys? I'm sorry. Um, the last video I just finished doing, nobody was able to see anything. So I'm going to repeat it real fast, go through the news, go through everything real quick. I'm actually trying to get to Target real quick with my wife. And I tried to get it done from 7 to 7:30. Some reason everything got erased. So I'm going to do it real quick. All right. If you guys are on here, I'm going to do this real quick. I'm going to chart everything up real fast. And we're going to make it happen for you guys. Yeah. Sorry about that. All right. Here we go. Let's go here. Let's not mess up again. We go here. We share it. Right. Okay. We go right back. Okay. Here we go. So today is Sunday. You can trade right now. I would double check with your whatever prop firm or whatever market you guys are trading on, whatever brokerage, because Monday, January 19th, it is a bank holiday, so nobody's going to be trading on that day. And happy holidays, everybody. Tuesday, January 20th, you guys are good to trade. Yellow photos are real good. They're not great. You got to watch them. You got to look into them. That's why we look at this every Sunday to see if everything's great. Wednesday, 8:30, Trump, our president, is actually speaking. So it's very volatile. So the market's going to be fluctuating. So make sure to be careful. I would not trade at 8:30. I would wait until 9:30 or 9:45. Okay, for Wednesday. Same thing on Thursday, 8:30. I wouldn't trade that day either. You have a lot of news, red news coming along. Just be careful. I wouldn't trade. I would wait until 8:30, 9:30, 9:45. Friday, same thing. I would just trade earlier or trade after 10 o'clock. Okay. So we're done with the news. Now let's check the next spot. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. And let's go right back again. Okay, so I already charted everything up for NQ. Okay. So if you guys see here, it's on the uptrend. Like I was saying before, it looks like it's going up. If it goes underneath this line here, the yellow one, I would wait until it gets to the daily, and then it has to come back down to grab this fair value gap right here. It already grabbed this one. That's the reason why it took off. The other thing it could do, it can come back to the green and continue taking off. So be careful with that. That's what I would do. Now let's check the next one. I'm hoping you guys are able to see this. Let's go into a little bit more deeper into the gold. Okay, here we go. So same thing over here. Left the fair value gap, came back, didn't tap it, so it's still liquidity down here. Shot up, took off, left the red behind. So all the sellers, boom, it took off the buyers, came back, didn't touch anything, it just tapped it, came back down, grabbed it all. That's why it took off that fast. Okay, and I already told you guys what would happen, so you guys already know what gold is. Let's go into NQ. Okay, NQ, here we go. There we go. Let me make it bigger for you guys to see. The day. Here we go. Boom, boom. If you guys can't see, sorry about that. There we go. Let me go right back. Okay. So it went up. We still have this fair value gap that hasn't been touched, right? Boom. It attempted to touch it, stayed neutral, hit the neutral, came back up, boom, boom, boom. Did a gap to the downside. Did a gap to the downside. So right now, we're in a limbo, trying to figure out, is it either going to go up or go down, or is it going to come back and grab this liquidity right here? And like I was saying before, let me go right back to the chart again, go a little lower, boom, so we can see a little bit more. Boom. Okay. Boom. Let me get back out there. Okay, so here we go. So this is so hard to do, man. Let me do something. I gotta get this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm over here trying to chart, trying to help you guys out. Okay, I'm gonna try to do my best because I'm dealing with so small of a window here. Okay, so my guess here, and is either gonna come back up here, tap this, tap this and come back and go right back down because it needs to come and grab this and then come back up, or it's gonna come back up, tap here and go back down. That's one of my things. That's what I'm thinking, right? Because remember, this is the old time. It has to come back and grab all this, at least half of it. I've always say it has to come back. If it passes this line here, say if it passes this line here, it's gonna go right here, right? It's gonna go right here. It's gonna come back down, and it's gonna take off this way. And then, like I said, if it goes past this line here above here, it has a possibility of coming back here, touching here, and continue taking off. And it could be all-time highs. We don't know. That's just my prediction. Okay, guys. So let's get out of that one. There we go. All right. And let's go. What was the one? What was the other one? The silver, right? Okay, let's do silver. My bad. I did the wrong one. SL. SL. What the hell? There we go. SI. Same thing I said over here. And these are my predictions. I'm thinking it's going to come back, grab this liquidity right here, hit back up here, all time. I think this was the all time. Oh yeah, the second high, the day before his highs. I think it was Friday, and come back down. Right. Let's check that. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Sorry about this, guys. It's just so hard doing this like this. I'm gonna have to find an easier way. But if it goes down, like I said before, if it goes down, passes this line here, right? If it goes past this line here and it doesn't go back up, it's gonna come back and touch this because this is the line of becomes this is support while it's over here up here, and it becomes resistance while it's up here. So it's gonna come back, touch here, and go back down. Okay, that's the best thing I could do with that one. And let's go with the other one. Did I say ES? I think ES. I told you guys I don't know what the hell to do on that. Let me see. Uh, let me see what I got going on. Yeah, so I was saying the same thing. I was saying something similar to that. This is the neutral line. It keeps going up, tapping this, coming back, tapping this, coming back up. So we don't know if it's either going to come down, come right here, and then continue going up, right? Come down here, continue going up, or it's going to come down here, tap here, and then come back down. So, because remember, let me see if there's anything on the other side. I don't believe so. I think I already paid attention to that. There was nothing on the other side. Check. Yeah, everything's already been touched. So everything's already been touched. So what I said is if it goes past this line underneath, it's going to continue going down. And this will be a next, right here will be a next step of it continue going down. So I forgot to make that color and make this one a little bit less bright. Let's do that a little lighter. So you guys know exactly what's going on. These here markers right here. All right. And I believe that was everything. I believe that was everything. I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm going to learn exactly how to do this. If you guys just give me a little bit of chance to be able to get better at this. I'm hoping they've recorded because I literally did a whole half hour of this step by step and it didn't record. It recorded, but you couldn't see it. But if you want to put in the comments, let me know what else I can do for you guys. Tell your friends. Every Sunday, we're going to be here and we're going to try to get better as we go every single day. Please just stay patient with me. I'm going to try to help you guys out as much as I can. Like I said, this is educational purposes only what I see. If you guys go upon and do a trade yourself, that's between you guys. That has nothing to do with me. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, guys, have a great day. Have a great day. subscribe, and like.